ready to conquer the markets without spending a dime. Let's unlock the power of TradingView's free plan. First, head over to TradingView.com and sign up for a free account. Just click on the Sign Up button and follow the simple steps to create your profile. Once you're logged in, you'll see the charting interface here. You can select your desired asset by typing the ticker symbol in the search bar at the top. You can choose stocks, crypto, forex, and more. Adjust the time frame to your liking using the options above the chart. Experiment with different time frames like daily, hourly, or even minute charts to analyze price movements in detail. Next, let's add some indicators. Click on the Indicators button and browse through the extensive library of free indicators. Popular choices include moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Simply click on the indicator to add it to your chart. On the left-hand side, you'll find a treasure trove of drawing tools. Use trend lines to identify potential support and resistance levels, or Fibonacci retracements to pinpoint possible entry and exit points. TradingView is more than just charts. It's a community. Explore the social feed to see what other traders are saying, share your own ideas, and learn from experienced investors. Don't be afraid to publish your own ideas and analysis. Engage with the community, get feedback, and refine your trading skills. And that's it. You've now got the essentials to start using TradingView for free, so go ahead, explore the features, analyze the markets, and start trading smarter today.